Hey, miss. I got most of the horses secure and the chickens.
Well, thank you, Amos, but it's the herd I'm worried about.
I know, they're scattered all over the valley and beyond. The weather is coming in real fast.
So what do you suggest, Amos? We leave the herd out there to be scattered by the storm and ourselves left here to die without a livelihood?
Can I help?
No, miss. If the men get caught out in that storm, they're gonna die.
And if we lose our herd, we'll all die, you stupid man.
Doesn't sound like we're left with much of a choice then. Come on, Amos. Round up your men. Let's get the herd.
Dang.
Let's get going before the weather gets any worse.
Come on.
That sky don't look good. I'm starting to think somebody up there's conspiring against me. Are you a religious man?
Not in any real sense. Sometimes I tell myself things happen for a reason. Like what brought me here was fate come a-calling. But nobody made my path but me.
We all need to look for answers somewhere. Some in big old books, others in big old bottles of whiskey.
Believing in some kind of divine purpose ain't gonna give me my wife and kid back. Past is who we are, Miss McFarland. There ain't no changing that. Faith is a luxury I can't afford.
We have 2 herds out grazing in different pastures. We'll need to merge them and bring them all back.
I think we can handle that.
The cows get real ornery in bad weather. It's more work, but I'll show you how to deal with them. It's gonna be difficult to talk in this weather. Stay close. We don't want to lose each other. Easy now.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Come on!
Let's take them over to the other herd. We'll try to drive them all back to the ranch together.
Yeah.
The weather changes fast out here. This storm came out of nowhere.
Hey!
The storm's getting worse. What are you waiting
Come on.
for?
Whoa! Slow up. Let's go!
Hurry! We gotta move that herd!
Yeah. Let's go!
They're spooked! We have to stop the stampeding! Oh my god! They're running for the cliff!
Come on! Easy. Whoa there. Move it up. Move, move. Come on.
My, that was close. Right, let's round up those stragglers. Come on, I can't do this all by myself in this weather.
Whoa! Stay together, you dumb animals! Move on! Hey! Forward!
Storm's getting worse. What are you waiting for?
Come on! Come on! Come on! Get a move on!
Hurry! Gotta move that
Let's
ladder.
go! Yeah! Keep it moving! Move! Come on!
Come on, I can't do this all by myself in this weather.
Let's move here, my four-legged friend! Whoa there!
Whoa there. Don't ride off. It's closing in fast.
Get going! Come on!
You saved the herd back there. You might make a decent rancher one day.
Thank you, Miss McFarland.